Hello guys, remember this car? The Pontiac Sunbird. Of course it's now under restoration. Guessing it's a completely rust free, no rust at all, it's only imagination. Just kidding. There's rust there. This is pretty bad, as you can see. It's very bad actually. Floor has almost have to be completely rebuilt, as I said once. Even more rust in the front. As you can, if you remember there, the floor has been taken away, at least a bit of it. Even the roof has rusted severely, or rusted a bit. So the roof actually can, I guess if I have to roll the car, I'm probably gonna lose the roof. So you can see it's lots of rust. Probably can see that even over there. So, well, thank you for watching, and you can leave a comment and even rate if you want that. So, oh dear. It's really bad. So now you know what kind of condition my Pontiac Sunbird really is in. And it's still only 2 left, and that's in Norway. Only 2 Sunbirds of kind of rare wheel drive in Norway, not the front wheel type. I guess there's plenty of it. Well, thank you for watching and goodbye.